New Chinese themes for Xiaomi Global. Dynamic Island. Zoom effect. Custom lock screen. Lock screen wallpapers. Depth effect wallpaper. Blur effect. Disable blur effect. Import your wallpaper. Widgets color. Notch style. Custom position. Beautiful icon pack. iOS dialing. Transparent control center. Music art. Import wallpaper PNG and JPG. Change to your wall. Depth effect. Custom text and under widgets. Press red button to reset. Choose widgets you want to set. Change text on bottom bar. Home screen dock bar. Change number to custom position dock bar. My device screen 667. SET 2180. From request. Next theme. Cute battery icon. Double tap to change widgets. Freedom request. All themes include one backup file and video description. You can use it to restore on your global devices. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.